Are you looking for a home on the quiet, relaxing side of the lake? This is Corey Franks with the RE/MAX Jason Whittle All-Pro team. Today we're on the 4-mile marker at the Little Niangua. This is 254 West Wind Lane. Let's go check it out. This unique, spacious home offers 4 beds, 3.5 baths, nearly 3,000 square feet, 18-foot ceilings, and expansive views of the lake. Thanks for watching. If you'd like more information on this beautiful lakefront home, you can contact us at 800-836-2005 or jasonwhittle.com and we'll take care of you. Thanks and have a great day.